welcome back to another makeup tutorial, you guys. I am super excited to do this because I have not done makeup in a while and it feels like forever, okay? And it's only been like 2 weeks or a week now. It feels like forever. But anyways, I'm so glad to come to you guys with another makeup tutorial. So per usual, I'm starting with my Smashbox Oil Primer. Since this is more of a dewy makeup tutorial, I wanted to use this primer because it gives me that dewy look that I'm going for. And now this is new from on my channel. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I've had this product for a while, but I just don't use it because, girl, it is expensive, okay, honey? I would only recommend you guys, if you guys are gonna buy it, don't use it all the time because it is a lot of money, okay? So now I'm going in with my foundation, and this is my Sister Cosmetic Is You Perfecting Foundation. Now this, I'm in the shade chocolate chip. I love this foundation, you guys. Even without the oil primer and the Tatcha, this foundation still gives me that dewy skin that I'm going for, and it's so affordable. It's under 10 bucks. You can't go wrong with foundation under 10 bucks, and look at my skin. It looks really good. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro concealer in Fawn. You guys know this is my favorite concealer. I wasn't trying to use it in this makeup tutorial, but it was like right in front of my face and I didn't feel like getting any other concealers, but it's okay. I do like this concealer. Per usual, you guys know that I highlight on my forehead, under my eyes, my chin. I don't highlight my nose. I don't contour my nose. It's just not for me. You don't always have to do everything that everybody does. You can just do your own makeup however you prefer, since it's your face. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. So now I'm going to go in with my contour, and I'm grabbing my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso. I love this foundation stick, you guys. Oh, I love it so much. It's obviously, like I said, it's a foundation stick, so it's not meant to contour, but I use it to contour. I love how creamy it is, and it's easy for me to blend it. Super easy for me to blend. Yeah, you guys can tell, like, it looks really nice. Like, it takes me not even that long to blend. Even though this video is like super fast, it really doesn't take me that long to blend this foundation into my skin. It's really nice. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercups and I'm going to set all the places I highlighted under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. I'm also going to use this setting powder to set, to curve out my cheekbones, to make my cheekbones pop. That's a good trick. If you don't want to conceal your cheekbones, you can also set it with Sacha Buttercups and it's still going to pop as much as concealing it. No difference. Guys, so now I'm going to set my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm also going to clean where I curved out my cheekbones. This is very optional, you don't have to do this, but I like to set everything just to ensure my makeup is locked in really good. So now I'm going to also set where I contoured with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. This product is my favorite contour, favorite product to set where I contour. I like the finished look that it gives me, and it's not brown, it's like that reddish for women of color. So I would still recommend this product. I've had it for like over a year now, and it's crazy how I haven't hit pan. So now I'm gonna grab my Becca Highlight in Topaz, and this is where my fun begins. I would say this is where I got my dewy skin, but it really isn't. Throughout at the end of the video, you guys are gonna see I cannot even tell I got highlighter on like that at all, only on my nose. It's so weird. This highlighter is like super simple. I would so recommend this product if you're going for that dewy, no makeup look, like fresh skin. This highlighter is for you, girl, because it's just very subtle and soft. Like, it's not doing too much like all these other highlighters. Like, you glowing, but you glowing very natural. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and use this as a eyeshadow. You can use this as anything. Like, if you're lighter than me, you can use it as a bronzer, an eyeshadow. You can use this to set your face. It's crazy how you can use this, and it looks really good. So I am also going to use this under my water lash line just to I didn't want it to look so plain. I was gonna leave it, but I was like, let me just add a little bit of Jaja Boom on my eyes. What's wrong with me? So now I'm gonna highlight my eyebrow bone, and I'm going in with a MAC highlighter. This was not supposed to happen. It was just there, and I just grabbed it. So you can obviously use the Becca Topaz or any highlighter to highlight your eyebrow bone, and then I was just blending over there. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sister eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna waterline my eyes with this. You guys, this is so creamy. It's crazy. It's super creamy. I hate doing that to my eyes. It feels super weird, but it's such a creamy eyeliner. So, and I'm telling you, every Sister Cosmetics products are super affordable. Like, hands down, the most affordable products I have in this makeup tutorial. So now I'm gonna use this mascara and pop my lashes on. Y'all, this is my lashes from Koko Lashes in Stella, per usual. I have no lashes. No, I'm just kidding. I do have lashes, but they're just not like visible. They're very hidden. They're curly and they're hidden, okay? So this is my MAC Chestnut pencil. I used it as a lip liner and also my NYX. I forgot what this lip gloss is called. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. And then after that, I'm gonna grab my highlighter that I used on my face, my Becca Topaz, and put that in my inner corner of my eye to give me a pop. Now I'm just gonna set my face with the Sister It's You setting spray. It's gonna lock my freaking makeup in. I love the setting spray. It smells so good. And I'm also gonna go in with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist because I need that dewy skin still. And this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hey you guys, thank you so much for sticking throughout this whole entire video. If it's your first time stopping by, hey girl, how you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any more videos that I usually post out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this dewy fresh look. I was gone for a whole week last week, so I did not post any videos. I was sick, so I decided when I come back with a makeup tutorial, it should be something very natural, very fresh. Per usual, you guys know that I love looks like that, but this week you guys are gonna get more beautiful looks, and I'm also gonna be doing a get ready with me prom. And no, I am not in high school, but I know I have high schoolers that do follow me, and I think it'll be kind of fun so you guys can see me get ready for prom even though I'm not going. I loved prom when I used to be in high school. Like, it was so much fun. So I decided to do a look for that. So you guys stay tuned for those kind of videos this week. Yeah, so like back to this look. This look is just so fresh. Like it's really pretty. Yeah, I think this is it for this look. I think this is it for me talking, because y'all know I talk too much and I just sometimes get off talking. And if it's your first time stopping by, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, so you don't miss out on any more videos that I usually post up, okay? Alright, so I will see you guys in my next video. Per usual, I love you guys so much. Nakupenda sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!